All right, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. This will be part 2 of cutting the through tails on the LEIH D4R Pro. All right, so I'm finding that I'm able to make a little bit more time with this particular series of videos because I'm not mounting my camera and going through all that jazz, which can just take a lot of time. But I want to try to use words that will hopefully explain the deal. So what I did is the first thing you do is you make your pass from the left-hand side, and you want to make sure that you go far enough past the tail into the backer board. Okay, that's support board. If you don't, you're going to have a little bit of tail left here, right? And then you're going to try to put that the pins into that, or the tails into the pins. It's just not going to fit. So what they recommend is you take your first pass, right? And then come back and then go through again. So come around here to here, come back, make sure you go in far enough, then come around like this. And even if you want, go back again. Make a circular motion while you're in there. Okay, mind you, there's not much room with this particular pin configuration because they're quite tight together. Okay, so that's that. Now I don't want to drop this on the ground, so I'm going to put my knee there. Whoa, that was close. Doing these things live. All right, so there you go. There are my tails. All right, and the method, the system is once you make your first cut, you're going to just take it off and flip it just like this. Put it back in there. All right, again, just paying attention that this was the tail outside. So I'm going to note that my next board gets put in with tail outside again. All right, so I had another arm. So now I'm going to place it in there, and I'm going to route that out again. I did say that I was going to use my dust collector, the jet over there. However, it's quite convenient to use your shop vac. This is my new Craftsman shop vac. Please look up that episode. Because what I do is I compare this one to the guy back there, which is the shop vac. He's kind of hiding back there in shame. No, he's retired, but I still like to use him for really, really crude jobs. But that being said, this guy sits low to the ground, and he has more power, and he has a really nice dust system. Again, look up that video. Thank you. This is a short one because we're just going to try to move right along here. Thank you. Bye.